Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to disable shorts on YouTube. So let's go to YouTube first. Now you can see here that there is option for shorts and you will find here the shorts, but how you can disable it. Now I'm going to show you. Okay, now just write here YouTube shorts disable extension. Okay, now click on the first link, YouTube shorts block. You can see here the extension. Just add to Chrome. Now click on add extension. Alright, you'll find here your extension here. Now pin it. You can see here the extension. Click on this, turn this on, and you'll find here three dot. Click on this three dot and check this both. Okay, you're done. Now go back to YouTube. Now just refresh it. Let's check now. There is no shorts option. Here is not any shorts. You cannot find any shorts on YouTube right now. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. You can anytime disable this again. But after disable, you must check this off. Hide shorts from tab. You can see this, right? And then you'll find here shorts. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.